Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss everything related to stock market trading. Today we will be talking about the basics of stock market trading and how to get started. So, if you are new to trading, then this video is for you. Section 1. Understanding the stock market. To start trading in the stock market, you must first understand how it works. The stock market is a platform where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. It is also known as equity markets, where investors buy and sell shares of ownership in publicly traded companies. Section 2. Types of stock market investments. There are different types of investments in the stock market, such as stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and bonds. Stocks are ownership shares in a company. Mutual funds and ETFs are a collection of stocks or bonds, managed by professionals. Bonds are debt securities issued by companies or governments. Section 3. Steps to start trading. To start trading in the stock market, you need to follow these simple steps. Open a trading account. You can open a trading account with any stockbroker or an online trading platform. Research and analyze. Before investing in any stock, research and analyze the company's financials, management, and industry. Develop a trading plan, decide on your trading strategy, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Start trading. Buy or sell stocks based on your trading plan. Conclusion. In conclusion, stock market trading can be a great way to invest your money and grow your wealth. However, it is important to understand the basics before you start trading. Remember to do your research, develop a trading plan, and keep an eye on the market trends. We hope this video has provided you with some useful information to get started with stock market trading. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.